Hello everyone friends, this is Velar here. Today I'll show how to set up a Minecraft server. For this we need to open a browser and search for Minecraft server file. Go to the Minecraft website, click on this file and download the server jar file. There. Now we place it on the desktop. Here I'm creating a folder for our server. I'm putting this Java file in it. Opening it now. Folders are being created. We wait. That's not all yet. Now that's everything. Let's go to EULA. Here we type true and save the file. Close it. After that, we launch the server again. Now the world is generating, so we wait for it to load up. Once it's loaded, I'll go to Minecraft multiplayer and add a server. And set the server address to localhost. I click yes, and just like that, our server is created. That's all there is to it. This was Velar. Hit like and subscribe to the channel. Have a good life, everyone. Good luck to all. Goodbye, everyone. Oh, and it will show here that I've joined the game. That's it for now.